the disturbing anatomy of your favorite Pokémon. You've trained them, you've battled alongside them, and you've probably called them your friends. But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually going on inside your favorite Pokémon? What if I told you that beneath the cute and cuddly surface, they're hiding some seriously unsettling biological secrets? Today, we're exploring the lore, the biology, and the popular fan theories that try to explain these incredible creatures. Let's start with a classic, number 1 in the Pokédex, Bulbasaur. It's that adorable reptilian starter with a plant on its back. Officially, the Pokédex describes this as a symbiotic relationship, where both partners benefit. But many fans have a much darker interpretation. Think about it, that bulb isn't just sitting there, it's fused directly into Bulbasaur's body from birth. To make that work, there would have to be vascular connections running deep into its circulatory system, creating a true plant-animal hybrid. Some theories suggest the bulb acts almost like a second heart, managing biochemical exchanges and photosynthesis. But this could mean that Bulbasaur is totally dependent on the plant. Is it really a partnership, or is the plant a parasite that slowly takes over its host? As Bulbasaur evolves, the plant blooms, demanding more and more energy, which really makes you wonder who's actually in charge. Alright, next up, the awesome, fiery Charizard. We all know it for its massive wings and powerful breath, but how could a living creature actually pull that off? To even get off the ground, Charizard's anatomy would likely need hollow bones, similar to birds on Earth, just to cut down its weight. Its powerful wings aren't just muscle and skin, they'd have to be a marvel of evolutionary engineering. But the fire is where the theories get really wild. To produce flames hot enough to melt boulders, as the Pokédex claims it can, Charizard would need a specialized internal system. One popular scientific theory suggests it has internal sacs that store flammable gases, which are then ignited when Charizard exhales. And that flame on its tail. The Pokédex says it reflects Charizard's health, but some fans speculate it could be a pilot light, connected to an organ that regulates the gas flow. It's basically a living, breathing flamethrower. Now, let's slip into the shadows with Gengar. As a ghost and poison type, its biology just doesn't play by the normal rules. Pokédex entries say it can hide in any shadow and steals heat from its surroundings, suggesting a metabolism based on absorbing thermal energy instead of eating food. Since it can phase through walls, it probably doesn't have a normal skeleton. Speculative anatomy suggests it might have a semi-solid, ethereal frame. It might not even have traditional organs, but a system built to manipulate and feed on energy. Of course, this is all just theory trying to make sense of a ghost. And to make it even weirder, there's that popular fan theory that Gengar is the ghostly shadow of Clefable, adding a whole other layer of mystery to what this thing actually is. Finally, let's look at one of the strangest Pokémon from recent generations, Dragapult. This dragon/ghost type is famous for its insane speed and its truly bizarre method of attack. Those holes in its horns aren't for decoration, they're missile silos that house its own children, little Dreepy. In battle, it fires these Dreepy at supersonic speeds. The Pokédex claims the Dreepy actually enjoy being launched like this, but just imagine the anatomy required. Dragapult's head and neck would need incredible muscular and skeletal reinforcement to generate and withstand that kind of force. It's not just a battle tactic, it's a family dynamic where the parent uses its own kids as living ammunition. It raises some seriously disturbing questions about the life cycle of these phantom dragons. The world of Pokémon is full of these kinds of fascinating, and sometimes creepy, biological puzzles. From parasitic plants to living weapon systems, there's always something new to uncover. What Pokémon anatomy do you think is the most disturbing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you would like the anatomy of your favorite Pokémon, subscribe and let us know. We might think we know them, but today we've seen that there's a hidden and often unsettling world inside every Pokeball. The creatures we've grown to love are far more complex and bizarre than we ever imagined. Each Pokémon is a puzzle of strange adaptations and speculative biology, reminding us that even in the most familiar worlds, there are always secrets lurking just beneath the skin.